Ang pamantasan ay tahanan ng talento, sipag at iba't ibang kulay. Ngayong Abril sa pangunguna ng PLM Propaganda, muling binibigyang buhay ang bahaghari sa paggunita ng propagandahan para sa queer na bukasan, the PLM Pride 2025, kung saan isinasagawa ang iba't ibang aktibidad tulad ng Genesis o Pride Walk, HIV Testing Caravan, Kasal-Kasali Kasalo o KKK Marriage Booth at pagtatapos na huling halakhak dapat pakak. Sa pagkulay ng bahaghari dito sa pamantasan, ating tuklasin ang pananaw at karanasan ng mga haribon sa naturang selebrasyon. Ako si Kate Gilbero mula sa Ang Pamantasan at ito ang Iskumustahan 2025 Episode 1.
You know, Pride is not just about the concerts, the booths, and the celebration itself, but it's also about celebrating the triumphs of the LGBTQ community. Sineselebrate natin yung Pride nang sa gayon ay magunita natin yung mga pagsubok na kanilang naipanalo sa kanilang buhay.
Para sa akin, ang kahulugan ng Pride ay isang pakikipaglaban o pakikibaka para sa pantay na karapatan ng bawat kasarian na meron tayo ngayon.
Ngayon, yung parang papakita mo what you are. And yung comfortability na yun, it's like, hindi ka nalilimit. So, paano mo i-express yung sarili mo?
For me naman, it's also a celebration of freedom and yung pagmamahal na walang pinipiling kasal.
Pride is really just coming into yourself. It's all about unabashed freedom of expression. We drag artists embody that the most because we change a lot of parts of ourselves. But even though we change the outside, we're actually revealing more of the inside. And Pride is all about that. Even though we dress up like this, dress up very extravagantly, it's an opportunity and invitation to look deep inside yourself and see the beauty and joy and color that's inside of you.
Nakikita ko yung kahalagahan ng selebrasyon ng Pride dito sa pamantasan bilang isang paalala sa bawat PLMers na meron pa rin tayong pinaglalaban hanggang ngayon. Itong taunang selebrasyon na ito ang nagpapaalala sa atin na huwag tayong titigil na ipaglaban ang karapatan ng mga LGBTQIA+ sa loob o sa labas ng pamantasan.
I think that it's so important that we have these events and that we support and celebrate Pride inside universities. It's such a big leap and such a huge step for progress. And it's great. Of course, there's a thriving LGBT community here in PLM. So it's great that our voices are heard and that we continue to celebrate Pride every day. Every day. Every day talaga. And that we continue to fight not just for Pride here in PLM and in universities, but really for legislation as well and for human rights, fighting for our right to love and our right to live.
Nakikita kasi natin na sa loob ng pamantasan, meron tayong mga organizations na kung saan tanggap tayo kung sino tayo, pero hindi natin masasabi na inklusibo talaga ang pamantasan. Sineselebrate natin yung Pride nang sa gayon ay katukin natin at kalampagin yung mga namumuno sa itaas at makaramdam na nandito kami. Dapat pinapahalagahan din kami.
Aside from those sa mga discrimination, I think it's important din yung event na ganito to remind people and to educate them about LGBTQ community and to make it an inclusive and safe space for everyone.
Alam mo, sinusulong talaga natin yung advocacy, ang safe spaces, kaugnay nung advocacy natin sa gender. Walang sino man na parte ng komunidad ang dapat nakakaranas ng diskriminasyon at opresyon sa loob ng ating pamantasan. Dapat ang loob ng ating pamantasan ay nagsisilbing bilang pangalawang bahay natin at hindi nagsisilbi bilang isang asylum na kung saan natatakot tayong pumasok dahil parte tayo ng komunidad.
Yung sarili ko pong advocacy tungkol po sa celebration natin ngayon is lahat naman tayo nakatira sa isang mundo or sa isang bansa rather. And lahat naman tayo deserving of love. Why should we be discriminated of how we love even though iba-iba yung kahulugan natin sa pag-ibig? It's like, ang liit natin compared sa universe, there's only so little of us, but there's also so many. Why take the opportunity to hate on people when you can just love each other?
Bilang Bachelor of Arts and Communication students, pwede naming magamit yung aming mga natutuhan, mga kaalaman at skills in communication into building an effective advocacy. Ngayon, social media is very used, and through that, pwede tayong gumawa ng mga activities na maaaring makapag-educate, hindi lamang sa mga PLMAers, kundi sa labas ng PLMAers.
Personally, I'm also a children's rights advocate, so it's great that we see that intersectionality of pride and LGBT children and children coming into their own, and it's really wonderful to see that. As we continue to celebrate Pride with PLM, it's great to see the students and the organizations coming together and doing their HIV testing and learning more about HIV as well, and to end the stigma of HIV.
Freedom, tolerance, equality, and pride. Ito ang mga pagpapahalaga na nagbubuklod sa bawat isa at nagbibigay kulay sa mundong kung saan ang bawat boses ay naririnig, ang bawat individual ay may halaga, at ang bawat pangarap ay may kalayaan. Muli ako si Kate Gilbero mula sa Ang Pamantasan at ito ang Iskumustahan 2025 Episode 1.